classroom, simply cause I had my sights set around past June. Graduated, chilling hard in the afternoon, contemplating verses that I put onto a track soon. Ay, I went hard with my last tunes, dropped The Outsider cause I knew that I'd be back soon. And now the whole world knows my nom de plume. Every time I spit, I treat the booth like a bathroom. Grab some nuggets out me cannabis holder. I work for this life, nobody handed this over. Close to my goals, but I'll have to get closer. Deals on the table now, I'm after this closure. Every album's killing, they like, Kenny, get colder. And G is who your girlfriend's panties drip over. Chicks keep asking him, can he sleep over? I'm doing what I'm supposed to, don't get mad at me, Joker.
I had a dream of a place where the sun